Today I will show you the graphical user interface of a hoist or a overhead crane which is lifting a load from a loader to by a hoist overhead crane and loading the load on the truck, and the truck will go, and another job will come on the loader and the crane will return from there and again lift it and load it into truck, and the truck will go. This process continues in the factories. So I will show you this graphical user interface I made by using Wonderware's InTouch SCADA. You see, I am opening the Wonderware InTouch SCADA. Please wait. Now I will open. It is opening. See this. This is the user interface, graphical user interface I made by using Wonderware's InTouch SCADA. In the left side there is a loader and there is a job kept on it, and overhead crane or hoist came to lift it. It will lift and it will take it here and load on the truck. The truck will go, and after truck going, this crane will return here to take another job, and if the process will keep continue. So I will show you automatic. It will work automatically. I will show you. See this. The crane is coming to lift the load. It lifts the box and it is loading on the truck. Then truck will go and the crane will return. See this? Crane return. Another job will come there and the crane will lift it, and this process will keep continue in the factory. This is the GUI or graphical user interface by using InTouch SCADA. This process keeps continuing in the factory. This is the daily process, and we can see this process happening in mines and where the hazardous industries where people cannot live this, the crane do this, and this automatic system. This process will keep continuing. This is Wonderware InTouch SCADA crane GUI or the crane simulation. This is the actual process we can work in factories.